Finance Minister Arun Jaitley present 21,47,000 crore rupees Union Budget 2017. Thus slashes income tax rates. Jotin Wycombe joined BJP after more than 30 years in Congress. And Bijoy Koisam asked Congress and BJP to stop war of words and focus on resolving UNC economic blockade. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley today presented the Union Budget 2017. The total expenditure of this year's budget is 21,47,000 crore rupees. In a big move, the government barred cash transactions above rupees 3 lakh and slashed income tax rates. Terming demonetization as bold and decisive measure, Arun Jaitley said it will have a multiplier effect on the economy and will create a bigger, cleaner and real GDP. Delivering the Union Budget 2017-18, the Finance Minister said, "We are moving from informal to formal economy and the government is now seen as a trusted custodian of the public money." He said, while demonetization was a bold and decisive strike in a series of measures to arrive at a new normal of bigger, cleaner and real GDP, and it has only a transient impact on economy and the long-term benefit include higher GDP growth and tax revenue. Jaitley said, the government has taken a series of measures to eliminate black money and curb corruption, and demonetization was a step in the direction. Demonetization will help in transfer of resources from tax evaders to government, he said. He further said the pace of remonetization has picked up and the situation will soon normalize. Expression hope that there will be no spillover effect of demonetization next fiscal year. The Finance Minister said the surplus liquidity in the banks will lower the borrowing and the lending rates and the government would continue with the economic reforms for benefit of poor. Jaitley said Aadhaar-enabled payment system Aadhaar Pay will be launched. Defense allocation is rupees 2.74 lakhs crore, while Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Kendras to be extended to more than 600 districts across the country. Railways will offer competitive ticket booking facility to public at large, and 500 railway stations will be differently able-friendly. Aspiring politicians continue to hop from one party to another after they failed to get the ticket of the party. Meanwhile, BJP continues to extend its hand in friendship to those who deserted the Congress and those who returned to BJP after quitting the party to join the Congress. Jotin Wycombe of Thangmaiban constituency, who has served Congress party for more than 30 years and is the former secretary of the MPCC, today joined BJP along with some prominent former Congress workers after resigning from Congress party yesterday. Leader of BJP Manipur Pradesh, including President K.S.H. Babananda, accorded a warm welcome to the new entrants at the BJP office at Nitapak today. Speaking at the reception, K.S.H. Babananda alleged that the people are suffering as the Congress government has failed to work for the welfare of the people and the state. He said if the Congress government is genuinely concerned for the people as parents are worried about their children, it should have tried to resolve the present impasse. Babananda also said it is for the same reason the 6 Congress MLAs and Jotin Wycombe left the Congress and joined the BJP. He asserted that Jotin Wycombe will win the election from Thangmaiban. Jotin Wycombe warned that the political career of a politician who can vote has almost ended.
MLA toga BJP the Euro 5C. Nasi Ladiba, a political rivalry is the BJP Congress can ladies. Congress the Tolaga BJP the Euro 5C, Yamala Kudam Maneva. Congress the BJP Hena Pai Hibasi, a MLA Taruptuna La Yamna Pazaba Araiba Saki Yamaneva. Any game the son of Doro. As I give game horpus is a canana toiga the Gavasi, Adum Kangbangam money. Adum Nasi Ladiba political scenarios is the BJP Nangasi, Lady Film, there is a single street and Sagas, Yamani Hibasi, my Ambonaman Kangaroo.
Former executive member of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Sapam Kunjakishore, who left the party with 10,500 party workers, will contest the 11th Assembly election in Patsoi constituency as the candidate of the Northeast India Development Party (NAIDP). Former Minister and Thongzu MLA Bijoy Koizam has asked the Congress and BJP to stop the war of words and instead focus on resolving the UNC's economic blockade. Senior President of the Manipur National Democratic Front (MNDF) Bijoy Koizam today termed the failure of the state government and the central government to end the indefinite economic blockade on the national highways as unfortunate. Speaking to media at MNDF office at Babupura, Bijoy Koizam maintained that the government should not allow a handful of persons to hold the lives of servant lakhs of people to ransom. He urged the center and state government to suspend the economic blockade called in violation of the rights of the people. He said the BJP should have claimed that it would leave the economic blockade if it comes to power. He questioned that BJP if it is going to ignore the suffering of the people if it is not in power. Meanwhile, the office bearer of MNDF of Women Front have been appointed. Katrimium Urmila, Huidrom Anita, El Sheila, Wahengban Bidyapati have been made the President, Vice President, General Secretary and Secretary respectively.
Hujik Manipur da yamna chawba issue ama road blockade tawdana leiribasi loisanbagi mahutta Congress amasung BJP na makhoi party dur hena pai aduga tawrunliba thabak sing asi makhoine tawrumbani mana tawruman hadir hunnadun leibasina di prajada kai kanabadu piba phangden lawai road blockade hangtokpagi mahutta makhoigi party kankhat naba power painana ba thabaktan hena yangsil lena lawai prajagi khande adu BJP na haibada BJP sarkar pahelu blockade loisenge aduga Manipur gi chakot thorangda khumang jauksin gani haidana haibasi aimasi asumbana ten lawai.
The two-day conference of the Communist Party of India Marxist Manipur State Committee concluded today. The conference discussed issues like the economic blockade, demonetization, killing of laborers, beside the role of the party in the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly election. The last meeting of the Media Certification and Monitoring Committee (MCMC) in connection with the 11th State Assembly election was held yesterday at Hotel Classic Grande Semirong. The meeting primarily focused on paid news and political advertisement. State Nodal Officer, Coordination and Observer Ngangom Uttam explained that paid news, advertisement and legal provisions in view of elections. DEOs of all districts also made PowerPoint presentations regarding the measures taken up by the district MCMCs. Free internet Wi-Fi service has been provided at the complex of Information and Public Relation new building at Kaisampot from today. It will provide free high-fi speed internet to the media fraternity and help disseminate information. A special training program for ASHA and Angawadi workers functioning under Medical and Social Welfare Departments will be held on February 13 at Kombirai Hall, DC Office Campus, Lamfeld at 11 a.m. The main objective of the training program is to make ASA and Angawadi workers aware of the do's and don'ts while assisting persons with disabilities at the polling stations. A team of narcotics cell in Imphal West says foreign and country liquor worth around 35,000 rupees yesterday around 4:30 p.m. along the Nambul Bank in Imphal area. The says liquor included 150 liters of country liquor, 74 bottles of foreign liquor and 33 beer bottles. The says liquor has been kept at the narcotics cell office. The first one-stop center under the assistance of the Ministry of Child and Women Development was opened by Social Welfare Department in Thobal District. Women victims affected by violence, both in private and public spaces, will be given shelter at the center for at least 5 days. Principal Secretary J.C. Ramthanga opened the center at Mini Secretariat Complex. Recalling her contribution to the society, Porei Leimarol Maira Paibi Apunba Manipur today observed the 13th death anniversary of Maira Paibi leader Ima Kombi. The observance was held at her memorial at Lamfeld Sanakaitel. Members of Porei Leimarol, representatives of the various civil society organizations, and women from different walks of life attended the event and paid full tributes to the portrait of Ima Kombi. Speakers on the occasion recalled how she fought violence against women and other atrocities in the society.
Maira Paibi aseng balik lam dia dapat isung sampan marfuda. Pasoigi CRPM da nupi yang na bisem mari hat kiba matam adugi nupi miyam gi yahu adom mayek lana le hauna ba puarina laikhidraba numit adu lauduna Maira Paibi numit haiduna lising ma sampan maudrama pandagi Maira Paibi kaya punsinduna nupi puruki akan ba ihaw sengbalak ba masung mangrom da jang sinna ba hona bada imana mamal naidra ba thawdang laukibani.
Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
To touch the pinnacles of success for your children, get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in education.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean, and healthy water.
I-League 2nd Division 2017 is here. Neoka FC versus 5-Star Southern Samiti Kolkata on 4th February at 1:30 p.m. at Kumalampak Men's Stadium. Entry free for all. Don't miss it.
Yumanungi application ki mapung fava solution period Durasign G6 seasonabio. Durasign asi Tata Blue Scope Steel Limited ki flagship retail brand ni. Durasign liner ki khudong chaba sing di yumanungi amasung mapan ki application ki khwaidagi yang ba phanglang kupnaba. Yan thaba siling amasung phaklang khaidoknaba gi rai live solution pi. Panel sing ado phaiba amadi chap yung ba mai kai install toba yai. Durasign Tata Blue Scope Steel.
Please visit Project Patterns, Namaibu, near Kushumarpa.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The 17th Rising Day of UFO Langthabal Kunja Battalion Imphal East Headquarter No. 1 was celebrated today at Langthabal Kunja Subedar Ground. The celebration began with the hosting of the flag of UFO. Members of several UFO branches took part in the celebration. People in various parts of the country, including Manipur, today celebrated Basant Panchami. The festival marks the beginning of the spring season. The festival is celebrated every year on the 5th day of the month of Magha. Basant means spring and Panchami means the 5th day. On this day, Hindus visit temples and pray to Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, and celebrate the day as Saraswati Puja. Schools and education institutes celebrate Saraswati Puja. The festival is celebrated mostly in northern state of Punjab and Bihar. In Allahabad, Basant Panchami bathing is taking place at the confluence of Ganga and Yamuna and other gods of holy rivers from this morning. Besides elaborate arrangement for the bathing, security has been tightened at the Sangam area. Police and paramilitary forces are keeping visuals and drones and CCTV cameras have been put into service in the area. The first Manipuri feature film of Hiang Film Production, Angauba, was launched today at Hiang Lamtawai Kom Laikai. The film is based on the play with the same title performed by Kanglai Park Lamyanba Theatre Wabagai Hiang Lam. The play bagged 5 awards including Best Play, Best Script and Best Actor in the Global Theatre Festival 2013 held in Qatar. Priyo Gupta Hiang Lam will direct the film to be produced by Lalit Laistram. Kaiku, Sunny, Abenau, Biju, Toy Toy and Idot will act in the film. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) will conduct the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test (NEET) for admission to all medical colleges in the country on May 7 this year. The test will be conducted across 80 cities for admission to MBBS and BDS courses in Medical and Dental College, run with approval of the Medical Council and Dental Council of India. Candidates have been given an opportunity to submit the online application for a month from January 31 to March 1. An official statement said the test will be held at 1,500 centers across the country and more than 10 lakh candidates are expected to appear in the examination. Now, news from the world of sports. Chingkai Hunba Polo Club Kongpal Team A, Kurai Polo Club and Imphal Riding Club Lamphel beat their opponents in the 32nd N. Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi State Polo Tournament at Imphal Polo Ground today. Chingkai Hunba Polo Club Kongpal Team A thrashed KNMN Riding School Team B Singzamay 6-2. In another match, Kurai Polo Club trounced Mairaba Polo Club Thamaiban 9-0. Imphal Riding Club Lamphel dropped Nambul Mapan Polo Club Team A 13-1. 27 teams are competing in the tournament organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. There will be 3 matches tomorrow. Cyclone Thangmaiban beat Modern Club Team A Chingamakha by 27 runs in the third leg match of the 5th T20 Battle Cricket Tournament. Winning the toss, Cyclone Thangmaiban batted first and met 132 for 7th in 20 overs. In reply, Model Club Team A Chingamakha met 105 for 7th in 20 overs. Cyclone Thangmaiban's bowler Surjit was declared the man of the match for his 3 wickets in 4 overs. Cookie Sporting Club Lambulance will meet Chasing Cricket Club in the 4th leg match tomorrow. DYC Thangmaiban today got a walkover as ETL FC Thongju failed to turn out at 30th State Level Mini Under-14 Boys Football Tournament organized by Thangmaiban Athletic Union. In another leg, match of the 24th State Level Sub-Junior Under-17 Boys Football Tournament, Thau Thangmaiban beat Magand FC Khabam 4-1. FC TYDA Tawul and SYDA Singzamay beat their rivals at the 3rd state level KSYC 4-man A-side Open Super Soccer Tournament organized by Kamakhya Social Youth Club Hyangthang at its ground. FC TYDA Tawul thrashed KYFA Koirengay 4-0 in the first leg, while SYDA Singzamay beat KSYC Team B Hyangthang 1-0 in the second leg match. 24 teams are participating in the tournament. Pham Gas School trash YCCIC Konta Khabam 9-0 in a match of the Senior Women's Manipur Hockey League. In a men's match, SUYC Uchekon Kuno beat Seyo Singzamay Wangma Khetri Laikai 4-3. 5 women teams and 7 men's teams are taking part in the tournament organized by Manipur Hockey at Kumantlampak Hockey Stadium. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley present 21,47,000 crore rupees Union Budget 2017 slashes income tax rates. Jotin Vaikon joins BJP after more than 30 years in Congress. And Bijoy Koisam asks Congress and BJP to stop war of words and focus on resolving UNC's economic blockade.